Hi there, I've got a totally different video for you today. This is me going full YouTuber. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Why? Well, let me give you some context. One of the joys of being an open source maintainer is the people that I get to meet from all over the world, from all walks of life, building all sorts of cool stuff. When I say meet, by the way, I really mean chat with on Slack, on Twitter, on Discord. Anyway, I meet lots of you, and that's just something I really appreciate, and it's one of the special things about working in open source for me. Anyway, one of the people who I've been chatting with a lot in Slack over the past year or so is a guy called Ying Chun from Shanghai in China, and he's built an amazing website with some colleagues which is selling prescription glasses and sunglasses. So this is the website, KZFu. I don't know how to pronounce it. He doesn't know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to call it KZFu, okay? It's built on Vendure, of course. The front end is Next.js. I'll just show you around it briefly. I mean, it's really well done. It's built from scratch. It's fast, it's modern, it looks good. And now here's the really cool thing. I can try on the glasses. Now, I've uploaded an image previously, and I can kind of see what I'm going to look like with some glasses on, which is cool. And I can adjust the size, more Elton John, a bit more regular. They've got all sorts of glasses here. I mean, some really kind of weird ones as well. Let's try some big, oh no, I saw some cool ones. Okay, horn rim. Yes. Yes. How will this look? Okay, pretty good. I think we can find a better one. Really? Okay, that is the one. Let's try it on. Yes, let's get the size right. Now that is nice. As a kind of thank you, he said, when the site went live, he said, go on there, find some glasses and buy them, and we'll send them to you for free. I thought, great. And then he said, and then I want you to do an unboxing video. And I said, fantastic. I've always wanted to do an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox them. And that's the video, okay? Nothing technical here. I'm just gonna do an unboxing video. So without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing. So I need to adjust this camera. Let's point it down here. Move that keyboard out of the way. All right, here's the box. Now, you know, I've never done an unboxing video before, but I've seen them and I kind of know the format, so let's give it a go. We have to take every step in great detail and make a big thing of every part of the experience of unboxing. So here's the box. It's extremely well wrapped. It's in some kind of plastic covering. It's from China. It's got the China Post logo on here, and we've got a nice customs label that's been slapped on by Austrian customs when it arrived in the country. I've got my knife, and I'm not really sure the best way to attack it, but I better put that down before I stab myself. I'm gonna go brute force here, tear this open. Alright, throw that away, and now look at this. This is a really nice cardboard box, very sturdy. You can see it's taken a few knocks on the way from Shanghai to Vienna. It's a long journey. It took a while, but I think the COVID restrictions right now in Shanghai have probably contributed to that. Anyway, now let's open this one up. So this is a bit simpler. A couple of pieces of tape. Let's open the middle. Aha, okay. There we go, that's one, and I've got a surprise right here. Now, he did mention there might be a surprise. I've got two pairs. Ying Chun, xie xie. This is very kind. I've got two pairs of glasses here. So, as you can see, there's the nice KZFu logo on the front. It's shiny. Right, so I open this up, and look at this. We've got there's just boxes within boxes here. This is really cool. So now we open this up, and it's got a nice leathery feel. It's kind of soft. We've got some kind of label here. Let's take a look at that. Oh, it's a nice compliment slip saying thank you. So we've got a nice kind of one of these cloths for wiping away the dust and the grease from your lenses, keeping it very snug inside. Okay, and then, aha, here they are, my aviator style sunglasses, just as ordered. Very nice. So this is like made of metal. The lenses are dark grey, and it's a pair of sunglasses. What else can I say? It's a pair of sunglasses. Let's take a look in the next box before I do that. So again, on the outside looks just like the other one. We've got the same kind of case inside. All right, okay, we've got a different variety here. We've got some kind of gold trim here on the arms. Are these arms? I don't know the technical terms for glasses. Okay, these are the ones I actually configured with the reflective coating. So these are the mirror finished gold trim. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, and I see when I tilt my head, it's definitely got that polarized effect going on the screens around me. Cool. I mean, it's perfect timing. The weather here is gorgeous the past few days. Summer has really hit. I'm going to be wearing these every day. 谢谢 Ying Chun. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my first... Oh, who's that? Slack. Tech support needed. Let's see. I like it when other people answer the questions. Saves me time. Anyway, where was I? I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video. If you've built a project with Vendure and you would like to send me your merchandise and have me unbox it, I am totally happy to do that. In fact, maybe I'll set up a separate channel just for unboxing the things that Vendure merchants are sending to me. That would be great. Hint, hint, IBM. Anyway, thank you very much. The next video will be technical. I think we'll be talking about version 1.6, which is coming out very soon. Thank you, and until next time.